So thank you very much and good morning to every listener. Uh, Detail here is as titled Propose WAMCO SSF Sellout Scoring System. It's premised on some points. Number one, the current WAMCO project requires SSF with full support to deal at least 600 cases, benchmarked on 600 cases per week. We are not there yet. But if that is the objective set by WAMCO on the basis of research, I also want to believe that the support they are offering is benchmarked for the pursuant of the same by every strategic business partner that they have enlisted, of which, by the help of God, we are one of them. In Basira View, we believe in growth management. We will not jump to where we want to be, but we will move gradually and consistently to the place. So that is our plan and that is our thinking. And that is the mindset with which we deal in our engagements with Dr. Lyro Investment and its subsidiary. So looking at this item, we understood that if we must show performance, we must improve on our sellout. Okay, we must be mindful of hardliners or stock with high, where we have high stock holding, and make efforts to engage and push those items out. Reasonably, we must improve on our cash collection efforts, and we must also sustain the spread. So this content, we won't be deliberating much on how the sheet was prepared, but we just want to uh, implore the management to look into it, and thereafter we communicate the operation manager. Okay, the communication will be directed to the operation manager for the unit for the deployment of this scoring sheet. Okay, so when we check clearly, it is obvious that we put forward three possibilities. Number one, the salesman might get support. He can only get support if he does above 90%. But any performance less than 90% does not attract any fraction of the DB support. Number two, performance above 90% but less than 95% gets commensurate support, commensurate fraction of the provided support as intended by the DB. So it means that if the distributor intends to give 100 naira to a van sales rep at the end of the month for achieving 100%, or as instructed by WAMCO, if he's to give 100 naira as instructed by WAMCO, if at the end of the day the salesman did 93%, or he did 92%, or he was able to provide 91%, this the condition is stating that he will attract support, but the support will be commensurate to what he did. Another condition, a performance that is above 95%. A performance that is above 95% across this parameter, both in sellout, push of priority SKUs, okay, achievement of cash collection, and ensuring a good spread in sellout. Anyone who does these things satisfactorily and is able to deliver on a performance index at above 95%, at 95% and above get 100% of our support. As a matter of fact, outstanding efforts in this regard can equally attract further allowances, further support, further benefits as may be decided by the distributor. So in this case, in this sheet, the only aspect of the sheet that requires tampering is the aspect of achievement. And on standing is just the achievement index is achievement over required on point. Then achievement points, it has to be implication on the point rating system and performance index. So this is the only column because while preparing this, we're also mindful that we want the operation managers to be able to interact with it. So in this case, let us look at, let's say, Samuel Ajayi as a Vances rep. So Samuel Ajayi as Vances rep at the end of this August was able to do 900 on total sellout in cases. I sold 900 cases. Samuel Ajayi is required to do 122 of 3 crown powder. He did 120. On SKU 3, peak powder, 277 is required. He did 260. Yogurt 3, 18 ml, 31 is required. He did 29. Three crown, 29 is required. He did 25. Peak powder, 63 is required. He did 50. Cash collection on 100%, which is a fraction of payment over sellout. Okay, so cash collection rate, let's say this person did 96%. Can you see that in as much as his achievement index are good, in fact, if we do a check, he's recording an average achievement index of 92%. But do you still see that his standing is saying that he is not entitled to support? Range is very important. So on range, out of 29 items that we are selling, if he is able to do 25, for example, you can see he will not still get support. Okay, but let's say he did 29. You can see he gets commensurate support. So it means that he falls short of 95%. So it means that this person is getting 93% of whatever the distributor provides. For distributor and WAMCO require support to the salesman. This is 93% performance. So if WAMCO is to give anything to this person in support through the distributor, this person is entitled to 93% of it. So let's put another condition. Let's see this person did poorly on range. He just sold 6 SKUs. He falls short of 95%. And you can see the rule says what? No DB sellout support. Let's see this person did 31. And here he did 920, for example. You can see the SSF gets 100% of DB support plus other bonus as decided by the DB. So these data, they are not based on assumptions. They are based on our real-time data as collected from our database. So if WAMCO is saying that the salesman should do 600 cases, and we are proposing 920 per month. We are not there yet, but certainly, 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 running according to this template, if we encourage it, we definitely improve on our performance. Thank you.